Sup, Sumolings? It's Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today we're looking at Kissmetrics, a powerful analytics platform that analyzes human behavior to optimize conversions and drive revenue growth. The ultimate secret to sales growth? Know thy customers. Imagine knowing exactly what every visitor does on your website and then using that data to supercharge your revenue. Sounds awesome, right? That's Kissmetrics. All right, first stop, the metrics dashboard. This bad boy showcases your top KPIs like total revenue, purchase conversions, site visits, and way more. The best part is, it's totally customizable, so you only get the metrics you need. You can even make dashboards for your teams. See these little colored dots? Each one is a custom set of analytics. So marketing sees what they need, sales sees what they need, you get the idea. Switching gears to the main dashboard, where data visualization is the name of the game. Fast, sleek, and precise. That's the Kissmetrics way. Your data gets updated daily, and of course, everything is customizable. Complex data made super simple. If you've been looking for a way to really understand your customers, Kissmetrics is the way to go. So go ahead and hit buy now and start turning that sweet, sweet data into fat stacks. Want to see more? Let's go. All right, next up is the populations feature. This is your go-to for segmenting users based on unique criteria. Want to know how many people visited your site from London? How about New Jersey? Or how long it took them to go from just browsing to shut up and take my money. That's where the activity and cohort reports can help. There's a whole heap of reporting options like revenue reports, A/B test insights, power reports, and more. It's a data lover's dream come true. Oh, and I know what you're thinking, but Jay, is Kissmetrics impossible to set up? No, it's actually super easy. You can just copy paste the API key, global identifier, or JavaScript code, and you're ready to track. There's also a bunch of data integrations, so really, you've got no excuse. There's a reason more than 10,000 companies use it. It's simple and it works. So whether you've got a lean crew or an enterprise level business, understanding your customers is key to growing. And Kissmetrics gives you everything you need. So grab this lifetime deal today.